Random Light Source and Vacuum Flash Joystock Company was established in 1961. After passing over 60 years of establishment and development, Rangdong has expanded with 2 production facilities in Hanoi City and Bắc Ninh City, which totally occupies an area of 139,000 square meters. Its annual production capacity reaches 100 million LED lighting projects. Rangdong has become the leading company in Vietnam for the LED lighting manufacturing, lighting equipment, glass refill, and thermos. Rangdong's vision is to become the leading high-tech enterprise in the Vietnam lighting market, to pioneer in supplying the LED 4.0 ecosystems with the view of realizing the aspiration of Make in Vietnam and bringing the Rangdong brand to the group of regional brands. Rangdong's mission is to provide products, services, as well as lighting systems and solutions which are green, smart, eco-friendly for the purpose of health protection and human well-being. Over the years, Rangdong has received various awards and honors recognizing its contribution to the industry and society. Founded in 2011, Rangdong Lighting Research and Development Center is considered the company's science and technology brain. Thanks to the cooperation with more than 40 leading scientists and professors from well-known institutes and universities in Vietnam and abroad, Rangdong Lighting R&D Center has ability to create the lighting solutions in various fields, such as the human-centric lighting, HCL, illumination for human well-being, smart lighting, lighting for high-tech agriculture, and lighting for fishery activities. Rangdong has strictly applied the Quality Assurance System, the QA, and Quality Control System, QC, in the production of the LED lights. This process is divided into 3 stages, IQC, PQC, and OQC, to assure the uniform quality from the input to the output. The first step is the IQC, or the input quality control. Understanding the importance of the material's quality effects on the finished LED lighting product's quality, Rangdong has been cooperating with many prestigious international suppliers, including the Samsung, Seoul Semiconductor, 2 of the 10 global leading suppliers of the LED components. Rangdong uses the ANSYS iSpark software to determine the temperature and thermal distribution of the LEDs, optimizing the cover structure for the best heat dissipation. The LED chips must undergo the Gamma and the IES LM80 optical lumen test system. Rangdong is proud to be among the only 4 LED lighting manufacturers in Asia owning this system. Electronic components are also subject to stringent quality control during the production. The reliability index must strictly meet and follow the product's design. The optical part is thoroughly tested in terms of its optical clarity, opacity, and aging by Rangdong's modern specialized testing equipment. The next step is the PQC, or the production quality control. Rangdong has successfully applied the SAP ERP in the comprehensive corporate governance. The SAP ERP helps Rangdong digitize, plan, and manage production efficiently and effectively. In the application of Industry 4.0, Rangdong strongly focuses on the automation by replacing the manual works with machinery works. Rangdong has invested in the USA LED surface mount technology, or the SMT production line system, with high speed and accuracy, producing 8.5 million sets of drivers and modules monthly. 100% of the LED modules manufactured by Rangdong are actually double-checked with automated optical inspection, or the AOI system, which can quickly detect all kinds of faults in terms of types, positions, and tolerances, then remove 100% of the faults in the production. Rangdong owns a modern system using the through-hole technology, or the THT to assemble accessories, resistors, and capacitors. The assembly process for finishing electronic components, which is the last stage of the driver production 1, must assure the soldering and electrical parameters. Rangdong also sprays silicone on the drivers, creating a conformal coating to minimize impact from the environment and protect the circuit board. All finished drivers then have to pass the visual inspections. Besides manufacturing LED modules and drivers, Rangdong also proactively produces the optical parts and lighting housing, with a capacity of up to 100 million LED lighting products per year. Rangdong invests in many modern automotive assembly lines for the bulbs, ceiling lights, downlights, tube, high-bay, street light, panel light, and etc. In addition, Rangdong has applied the Quality Early Warning System, or the QEWS model, which quickly warns any defect during the production stage. OQC, or the Output Quality Control, is also an essential step in the production process of Rangdong before the products are ready to be distributed. A product before coming to the customer must undergo a lot of quality assessments in many aspects and by various modern testing equipments such as the performance testing, ingress protection or the IP testing, vibration testing, electrical safety testing, electromagnetic compatibility or the EMC testing. Rangdong offers a wide portfolio of LED lighting solutions comprising more than 300 types of products, from indoor, outdoor luminaires, special lighting solutions for smart home, high-tech agriculture, fishery, plant growing, and etc. Some of its typical products can be cited as follows: bulb, tube, panel light, downlight, ceiling light, parking light, high bay, floodlight, wall light, plant grow light. The products of Rangdong, which have been exporting to nearly 20 countries and territories, including the highly demanding markets such as the US, EU, the South Korea, have been granted various international certifications, namely the UL, CE, and KC, required for being imported to USA, EU, South Korea, respectively. 60 years of Rangdong's historical tradition and its staff creativity are the promising aspect to bring Rangdong to a new, radiant, and more sustainable era. Rangdong commits to always strive for the benefit of partners, consumers, and society.